Welcome to the latest episode of redgtv. Today we're going to be doing little improvised design artwork piece. So I've got this big wall now of fencing in the backyard beside the stock tank pool, as you can see here, and decided it would be cool to put up a Coca-Cola button. You may notice on some of the really old school variety stores or smoke shops, they have these big metal Coca-Cola kind of I call them buttons, and yeah, they're selling for like $3,000 on Kijiji and eBay. So I'm not spending $3,000, so I want to put one up here. So the goal here is to try and see if we can make one for under $100. So this is the table I'm going to use, tabletop I'm going to use to create the sign. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the base and make a bracket to hang it, and do all that stuff first before I start to paint the table and apply the graphics and everything, because it's easy to scratch obviously when you're doing all this prep work. So yeah, that's what we're starting off with. So I've created a hanging bracket. It's just like an L on the back of the table, and then also put the opposite one on the fence so that they'll just dovetail, and then I'll have something substantial to hang on. All right, so that is the table now primed and painted in the Coca-Cola red. So it's a tabletop, so it's got some depth to it. So you saw what it looks like hanging, so it should look pretty good. So the next step now is to do the Coca-Cola and the drink graphics on there. If you had a really steady hand and you wanted to paint it, you could probably just photocopy the words and outline them on there and paint it yourself. But I'm just going to get a vinyl cut sticker made, which is basically just exactly what it sounds like, vinyl that they cut, so the lines are like laser clean. All right, so this is how we're going to make this red circle with nothing on it look like that. So as you can see here, I've got the vinyl cut graphics. So it's basically just a sticker. As you can see, it's obviously cut with a computer, so all the lines are clean. And the drink and the little dot in the bottom. So what I do now is just peel off the backing and then position those, and then rub them down and peel off the front. Well, that's what it looks like when the peel off the bottom of the sticker, and then just position it and apply it down and rub it, and now peel off the top and just add the drink and the button, little other circle, and it'll be finished. There it is, finished product. Not too shabby for under 100 bones. Way better than spending $3,000, that's for sure. Do it yourself. I can, you can. redgtv on YouTube.